High Ticket Sales PLR. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. High Ticket Sales PLR. High Ticket Sales Secrets PLR is an exclusive, completely created from scratch, and absolutely new PLR Monster Package, contained with a premium quality sales funnel on one of the hottest niche which your buyers can edit however they want, sell it under their own name or brand name, by using a complete set of ready-to-install and of the best quality marketing tools, and keep all the profits for themselves. High Ticket Sales PLR course covers Step 1: why choosing the right niche is essential for your high-ticket success, and exactly what to do to ensure that you make the right choice. Step 2: how to find the right customers that are ready to buy high-ticket offers, and the right marketing approach to use with them. Step 3: the single most important thing that you must do to ensure that you target the right customers who will convert on high-ticket offers. Step 4: the 2 essential components that you must include in your high-ticket strategy that will make you more money for a lot less effort. Step 5: how you can get high-ticket clients to spend even more money using this little-known and easy-to-implement secret. Step 6: how to get into the mind of the high-ticket buyer, and the 4 critical psychological triggers that you need to use to boost your income significantly. Step 7: the steps that most marketers take to make high-ticket sales the hard way, and how you can shortcut a lot of this hard work. Step 8: how you can shortcut your way to high-ticket success by using a secret technique that is so obvious you will kick yourself for not using it before. Step 9: the real secret sauce to growing your high-ticket business, and how you can develop your entire business around it. Step 10: the simple 5-step process that will ensure you choose the right high-ticket product or service to sell with predictable results. High Ticket Sales PLR Front-End, High-Quality Brand New Training Guide, Cheat Sheet, Mind Map, Resources Report, Ready-Made Sales Letter and Thank You Page, Hypnotic Sales Video Promo, Professionally Designed Mini-Site, Professionally Designed Graphics, Quality Articles, Professionally Designed Banners, Promotional Email Swipes, 10 High-Quality E-Covers, Social Media Images Pack, PLR MRRR License, Auto 1, 10 Video Tutorials with PLR, Ready-Made Upsell Sales Page and Type Page, Legal Pages, Hypnotic Sales Video, Affiliate Page with Swipes and Banners, Follow-up Emails for the Upsell, Giveaway Report to build your list, Full set of professionally designed graphics, Training Videos Project Files, PLR License, Auto 2, Done for You Setup, changing the name on the PLR, uploading it to the hosting account, setting up the payment buttons, and integrating customers' autoresponder. We'll do all of that for them. Ongoing support. Auto 3. 3 Biz-in-a-Box Combo Package. Buyers will get 3 of our brand new, hottest and high-quality Biz-in-a-Box including Done for You Setup. Auto 4. Members will get 1 complete sales funnel with PLR every month at $27, where normal price is $97. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.